Blackberry Market, we opened here in Glen Ellyn 8.5 years ago. And our vision was to be an important part of the community because me and my family have lived here for a long time. We love this community. We make everything from scratch right here in the store. My favorite thing about having Blackberry Market and owning this business is being able to create meaningful connections. We've become part of people's everyday life, whether they're showing up here to work or for their morning coffee. It's just been a fabulous way to weave into people's everyday lives and have meaningful connections. And so once the pandemic happened, the way we connected with people had to become more creative. It's always been an issue that there's pathogens, there's different germs, there's things in a shared space. And so the idea of adding air purifiers for the short term, but also for the long term, so customers can still feel safe about being in the space, was really important to us. It's important to me that it's a safe place for our employees to work, so they can show up and feel confident that we're doing everything we possibly can, and air purifiers are helping make this a safer place for them to work and spend time in every day. The most important thing for customers right now is feeling comforted and safe, and the air purifiers are a huge part of that.